negotiators will be visiting the United States next week to finalize the agreement for the first tranche of a trade deal. The team will pursue reduction of tariffs from 25% to 18%. Abhimanyu Sharma has all of those details. Abhimanyu?
India's chief negotiator Darpan Jain is expected to visit the United States next week to finalize the legal agreement for the first tranche of a BTA. Now, India is expecting US tariffs to drop to 18% by as early as this week itself. However, if that does not take place, there is a likelihood that the Indian visiting negotiating team may take up the issue in person with the American officials. Both the sides are looking to sign a legal agreement by March 2026, though the Commerce Ministry indicated that a deadline cannot be ascribed to the same. On the import of pulses and varieties of cotton from the United States, more clarity is awaited on market access in the legal agreement. So it remains to be seen what would be the exact details which are going to be mentioned in the legal agreement, which both the sides are looking to sign by the March of this year. Now, digital trade barriers also are something which both the sides are going to decide, even as there has been an indication from government sources that digital trade barriers will not be a part of the first tranche of the BTA. As far as India's import diversification from the United States is concerned, the US is being looked at as a potential source for a diversification of imports in not just energy, but even for parts of data centers, as well as for several precious metals, in which India is looking to increase its overall imports from the United States as part of increase in bilateral trade. As far as cotton is concerned, India is already importing US cotton worth $250 million, and since the demand for cotton is expected to rise within India by virtue of an increased market access within the American market and also in several other FTA partner countries, there have been indications as per government sources that more imports of cotton may be undertaken to ensure that there is no shortfall of cotton in production within India.
All right, Abhimanyu, thank you so much for taking us through those details. The new United